You want to make your own t-shirts? You ever want to have a badass t-shirt like this one? Well, today we're going to show you how we made ours. Babe!
Yeah.
Hey, we need to make t-shirts for our YouTube channel.
Awesome. Because I just bought some t-shirt transfer. So let's make some t-shirts. Let's first go to avery.com/print. I'm going to upload our logo. Just click next. And it says preview and print. So I'm going to click print.
All right.
Downloads a PDF for us.
Oh, sweet. That was easy. Where's the t-shirt?
T-shirts. Bam! Right here.
You're ready.
All right. I have a t-shirt positioning tip for you.
Oh, let's hear it.
You have to fold the t-shirt in half.
Close enough, huh?
No, you'll want it just right. Or your logo is going to be off center.
Well, we'll just stand off center then. I'll just stand like this the rest of the...
Alright, that should get us to center.
Oh, now you're gonna iron it?
I am.
Make a crease.
Crease right in the center.
Oh, that's a good idea. Think that's creasy enough?
I think.
Oh, you're so creasy.
Can Garrett make it?
Oh, you're gonna crease that too, huh?
I'm just going to crease the top.
How far from the collar?
For an adult shirt, you want 4 fingers.
It takes a while to get it.
Alright, I think we're good to go. You ready?
I'm ready. By the power of Grayskull!
Yes.
Do we remove it right now or do we wait till it cools? Oh, damn, that was annoying. Shazzow! That was hot! Alright, so what did we learn? We learned you can put it back underneath there a couple of times. We
learned we should probably
trim it down.
Trim it down after we print it.
Yeah. Babe, how's my shirt look?
Oh, terrible. I mean, the logo is nice.
Yeah.
Well, trimming it is definitely the key. Like that.
Yeah, get it on there in the black, man. Get
Maybe
it
it
up.
should stay right that close.
Yeah, get it like super close. I feel like that'll stick on better. It'll fit underneath there a little easier.
Alright, let's give her a crease.
I'm gonna lose you. I'm losing you, babe. I'm gonna lose you in this K.
Hey, you live and you learn.
I see this.
I don't know.
And we're in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Doesn't need.
You didn't blow on mine.
Well, I was just getting ready to say, should we try? Oh, wait a minute.
It's amazing how you found the instructions that actually say trim it, you know, after we do my shirt.
Oh, look at here.
Oh, what do you know? Huh?
3 ironing time, 3 minutes. And where was this at? It must have been stuck.
Oh my goodness, where did it go? Smoking. Look at that, already so much better.
The good, the bad, the ugly.
You're just trying to get that one in, huh?
Yes, it needs it.